This assessment reminds us that an SN2 reaction is the concerted backside displacement of a leaving group by a nucleophile, and asks us to rationalize why the approach has to be from the backside. When we look at the nucleophile attacking the electrophile, the carbon leaving group bond, there's a sigma bond between the carbon and the leaving group, which means there's a sigma antibond as well. And the antibond would look something like this, where one of these lobes is shaded. The only way to form a bond in organic chemistry is to put electrons into an empty orbital. The empty orbital in this example is the sigma antibonding orbital, so these electrons from the nucleophile need to go into this empty sigma star orbital. That sigma star orbital is collinear with the carbon leaving group bond, but 180 degrees opposed from the carbon leaving group bond. Because this orbital is 180 degrees opposed to the carbon leaving group bond, the nucleophile must attack 180 degrees from the leaving group in this concerted backside orientation.